Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites so updates succeed. Check your operating system and whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit because drivers differ. Once done, connect via wired Ethernet or reliable Wi-Fi. Unstable networks cause partial installs. Make a quick backup of crucial files before proceeding. Now open Device Manager using Win+X, locate network adapters, and expand the list. You're ready to identify the exact adapter name. This ensures you download the correct driver and avoid mismatches that break connectivity. Next, you find and download the right driver. Identify the adapter model from Device Manager and go to the OEM or chipset manufacturer support page. This avoids generic, incompatible packages. Choose the latest WHQL or digitally signed driver that matches your OS build. Unsigned drivers can trigger warnings. Download either the executable installer or the driver package with INF files. Once downloaded, run the installer as administrator or update via Device Manager using Update Driver, right arrow browse my computer. Finish by rebooting. This finalizes driver registration and power cycles the network hardware so changes take effect. After restart, check Device Manager properties to confirm the new driver version and date. That proves success. If connectivity or stability problems appear, make sure to roll back the driver from the same Properties tab or uninstall and reinstall in safe mode to avoid conflicts. If a rollback works, report the faulty version to the manufacturer. Otherwise, try an alternate driver labeled for your exact adapter model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.